Hello, I'm Greg Huber with A&A Manufacturing, and today we are going to be learning how to replace a low-profile gear kit. To begin, you want to shut off your breaker to ensure the pump doesn't come on during the process. First thing that we're going to do is to loosen up and remove the band clamp. Set that aside, and then pull off the lid, pull out the impeller, then pull out and remove the gear kit. Remove the center shaft and remove the two flat washers on the bottom. First thing we're going to do is flip up all of the T's. And then we're going to take our two flat washers, place them in the center, take our center shaft, and then we're going to take off this cam. We're going to remove it from the body. We're going to drop this down, spin this around, flip all of these down, and you want this part facing away from you. And then we're going to take our gear kit, and you can use a pin or some type of tool, and you're going to put these two small washers on top of here. So one of the easiest ways to do it is put them on something and then just kind of hold this sideways and then remove it. And then we're going to take this and we're going to use this port, this opening right in here, to line up this squared part with the squared part of the cam on the bottom. Drop it down, be careful with these washers, it's really easy to knock them off. Okay, I've got past that point, and now I'm looking down through that hole, and I'm lining up the squared parts together. And I can see that they've lined up, and then I just press down. And then just putting the impeller on, it drops into place. And next is putting the lid. One thing you notice with the lid is it has a recessed portion in the lid, and then it has a protruding portion in the housing. So those line up together. You want to drop that into place. And what it is, it just allows either more water or less water into the impeller chamber. It just spins this quicker or slower. It doesn't change the amount of flow that goes to the cleaning heads. Place that on, you'll feel it drop into place, and then it has a little bit of movement to the left and to the right. You want to turn it all the way clockwise. Then put the band clamp back on. Tighten it up, hand tight. You can take a rubber mallet and just softly kind of tap along the outside just to make sure that that band clamp is seated correctly, and you're ready to go. And that's how you remove and replace a low-profile gear kit. For more information, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-851-8492.